What makes a penthouse truly luxurious? Imagine stepping into a space that isn't just a home but a masterpiece, where every detail screams exclusivity and opulence. From sprawling rooftop terraces to private elevators, these homes go beyond the ordinary, offering an unmatched lifestyle. In this video, we're diving into the world of the top 8 most expensive penthouses around the globe. These are the properties that redefine what it means to live in style, with jaw-dropping views, world-class amenities, and design that's nothing short of extraordinary. So, which one of these extravagant homes would you choose if you had the chance? Let's find out. 1. Fina Residence, Miami Beach, USA. Kicking things off with the Fina Residence in Miami Beach, we're talking about a $50 million duplex penthouse that's more like a private resort in the sky. This massive residence spans over 8,273 square feet, offering unparalleled views of the Atlantic Ocean and Collins Avenue. Expansive outdoor terraces stretch over 10,000 square feet, including a 70-feet-long terrace pool that provides a seamless connection to the ocean. Inside, the design is as grand as the view, featuring 5 luxurious bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms, all with top-of-the-line finishes and fixtures. The integration of indoor and outdoor spaces is perfect for both relaxation and hosting high-end events. And the cherry on top, the breathtaking views from the poolside or any part of the penthouse. Fina Residence offers the ultimate in luxury, where every square foot is carefully crafted to provide the highest level of elegance and comfort. 2. Dome Penthouse at the Plaza, New York, USA. Next, let's head to one of the most iconic buildings in the world, the Plaza Hotel in New York City. The Dome Penthouse, valued at $80 million, is perched at the very top of this landmark, offering panoramic views of Central Park and Fifth Avenue. This penthouse boasts a grand entrance hall with twin staircases, creating a welcoming atmosphere from the moment you step inside. With 5,655 square feet of living space, the penthouse features a private art gallery, luxury lounges, and a home cinema, perfect for movie nights or hosting the most exclusive parties. The interior design mixes old-world charm with modern sophistication, from Swarovski crystal chandeliers to rich woodwork. The multiple private lounges allow for intimate gatherings, while the whole penthouse is a statement of style and prestige. Living here isn't just about luxury, it's about being a part of history. 3. 15 Central Park West Penthouse, New York, USA. In the heart of Manhattan, the 15 Central Park West Penthouse offers the perfect blend of luxury, location, and style. This penthouse, which sold for $88 million back in 2011, spans 6,744 square feet and offers breathtaking views of Central Park. The massive wraparound terrace, over 2,000 square feet, is perfect for enjoying those unmatched city views. Inside, the penthouse features 4 spacious bedrooms, grand living spaces, and 2 wood-burning fireplaces that add a sense of comfort. The floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, creating an airy and welcoming atmosphere. The sleek design and carefully selected finishes make this penthouse one of New York's most sought-after properties, embodying both exclusivity and prestige. Living here means owning one of the most coveted addresses in the world. For 157 Penthouse, New York, USA, the 157 Penthouse, priced at a staggering $90 million, is situated in one of the most prestigious buildings in Manhattan, offering the ultimate in luxury living. Spanning an impressive 14,000 square feet across 2 floors, this penthouse features 6 luxurious bedrooms and boasts some of the best views in the city, including a breathtaking panorama of Central Park. The design of the penthouse is nothing short of spectacular, featuring double-height ceilings, glass walls, and floor-to-ceiling windows that seamlessly blend the interior with the iconic skyline outside. For those who value privacy, the penthouse offers a private elevator, ensuring that only residents and their guests have exclusive access. Beyond this, residents enjoy concierge services, valet parking, and the luxury of their very own private wine cellar, capable of storing over 1,000 bottles. The combination of expansive space, modern design, and a prime location makes the 157 Penthouse an iconic piece of luxury real estate in the heart of New York City. Whether entertaining guests or simply enjoying a peaceful retreat, this penthouse provides the perfect setting for a truly elevated lifestyle. 5. For 32 Park Avenue Penthouse, New York, USA. Rising above the skyline, the 432 Park Avenue Penthouse is one of the tallest and most exclusive properties in New York City. This $95 million penthouse offers 8,000 square feet of living space with 360-degree views of the Manhattan skyline, Central Park, and beyond. The The penthouse's most impressive feature? 10 feet by 10-foot windows that provide unparalleled views of the city below. Inside, the finishes are just as impressive, with marble countertops, Italian cabinetry, and oak floors throughout. The penthouse offers massive living spaces, a private gym, and a massage therapy area, ensuring comfort and relaxation. The 75-foot pool is perfect for unwinding after a busy day in the city. If you're looking for privacy and luxury, this penthouse's position at the top of one of New York's tallest buildings provides both, making it the ultimate New York City residence. 6. City Spire Penthouse, New York, USA. Situated in one of Manhattan's most recognized skyscrapers, the City Spire Penthouse is an octagon-shaped beauty that exudes elegance. With 8,000 square feet of space and a $100 million price tag, this penthouse features 6 rooms, 9 bathrooms, an exquisite design by Juan Pablo Moliu. The penthouse's layout spans 3 stories, each offering luxurious finishes and opulent feel, from Roman villa-style decorations to marble finishes. The private rooftop terrace gives sweeping views of the Manhattan skyline, perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying private moments. Located in the heart of the city, residents enjoy access to New York's best restaurants, culture, and entertainment. This penthouse represents the perfect combination of modern elegance and traditional charm, making it one of the most sought-after addresses in New York. 7. House number 1, The Peak, Hong Kong. House number 1, located in the highly prestigious Peak neighborhood of Hong Kong, stands as a beacon of luxury with a price tag of $12 million. What sets this penthouse apart is its title as the most expensive property per square foot in the world, making a rare gem in the real estate market. Offering unparalleled views of Victoria Bay and the iconic Hong Kong skyline, this residence delivers a lifestyle beyond compare. The rooftop terrace, complete with a private swimming pool and jacuzzi, allows residents to unwind while gazing at some of the best views the world has to offer. The interiors boast a modern, clean-line design, creating an open, airy atmosphere that makes the space feel even larger. Luxurious finishes elevate the space, providing an air of sophistication in every corner. One of the standout features of this penthouse is its absolute privacy, with only a select few neighbors sharing the exclusive Peak address. If you're seeking a private sanctuary in the heart of one of the busiest cities in the world, house number 1 provides a perfect escape, blending peace, elegance, and an unmatched location. 8. Ritz-Carlton Penthouse, New York, USA. The Ritz-Carlton Penthouse, located in the heart of New York City, offers the ultimate luxury living experience. Valued at a staggering $118 million, this magnificent penthouse covers an expansive 15,434 square feet of space and boasts a private 2,193 square foot patio that provides some of the most stunning, unobstructed views of Central Park and the Manhattan skyline. With 400 feet of windows, natural light pours into the residence, highlighting the breathtaking cityscape and making every moment feel like a scene from a movie. Every corner of this penthouse exudes sophistication, from Italian marble floors to the meticulously crafted custom woodwork. Inside, you'll find lavish amenities like a private library, a state-of-the-art home cinema, and multiple luxury lounges, ideal for hosting the most exclusive gatherings. The penthouse's elite status is further enhanced by the personalized concierge services, catering to every need with perfection. For those who crave the finest, the Ritz-Carlton Penthouse offers a living experience unlike any other, where luxury, convenience, and elegance come together seamlessly. This property is truly the standard in New York's elite real estate market. There you have it, the top 8 most expensive penthouses that set the bar for luxury and exclusivity. From the grandeur of New York City to the serene beauty of Hong Kong, these homes represent the ultimate in real estate. Which of these penthouses amaze you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive tours into the world of luxury living. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and living large.